Pause action. These actions can be very useful. For example, when you want to retry file download or retry form submission, or just pause execution for 10 minutes and wait for important task to complete. So we have two very important properties. We have wait for, we can say again that is hours, minutes and seconds, and we also have number of executions. For example, you can retry 3 times, and if it fails, after that you just reject and stop package execution. I hope you found this short tutorial useful. Please like and subscribe, and again, if you have any questions or suggestions, please post them on our support forum.